At Toshiba, we believe that evolution is leading the path to a better future. Through the decades, we have been constantly creating innovative and high-quality electrical appliances to increase our consumers' satisfaction. And now, with Toshiba's SMMS-e, the latest commercial air conditioning for all building applications, we have moved forward to the next era where innovation becomes evolution. The SMMS-e has been creatively developed and designed under the concept excellence, expansion, and experience to ensure your utmost comfort and convenience like never before. The SMMS-e leads the industry's top class with the ES-EER at over 7.0 for the overall capacity range and the highest EER and COP of 6.4 and 6.44, which prove its utmost excellence in energy saving. The newly developed refrigerant circuit has radically increased the number of connectable indoor units from 13 to 18 units and up to 64 units with a maximum 60 horsepower combination, making room design and installation more flexible and convenient. The SMMS-e offers 3 new larger capacity units with a higher capacity of up to 22 horsepower on a single module and a maximum combination of 60 horsepower in one system, up from the previous 48 horsepower, which helps save time and expense on additional unit systems and increases the flexibility of installation with a smaller footprint. Toshiba's SMMS-e comes with various cutting-edge technologies through its advanced key features. New DC twin rotary, an innovative compressor that operates in a wider range of rotation speeds for a more powerful and efficient operation with DLC-coated 2-stage vane to reduce friction while increasing hardness and enhancing the performance. The new heat exchanger provides SMMS-e with up to 13% more surface area of the total pipe, and the improved dimension of 7mm new triple layer pipe configuration increases the contact area between the pipe network and the air flowing through the heat exchanger for greater energy efficiency. Additionally, the variable heat exchanger allows the outdoor unit to determine an appropriate heat exchanger performance to suit the required capacity load from 100% to 20% to achieve high energy saving. The SMMS-e is designed with new propeller fan to minimize the generation of large eddy, with reverse arc-shaped wing to reduce rear turbulence. The intelligent VRF control, Toshiba's technology in SMMS-e, can help control the flow of refrigerant to each indoor unit via independent PMV control. With more than 300 sensors to enable the outdoor unit to optimize the flow of refrigerant in each indoor unit, a comfortable indoor environment is consistently maintained. And when the indoor units are not all operating or in zero demand, the refrigerant is not injected into these units, maximizing energy saving and minimizing waste. Another advanced key feature of the SMMS-e is the SMMS Wave Tool. Data from the outdoor unit, including the product and system data, as well as the fault, testing and commissioning history, can easily be accessed from your smartphone, even when there is a power failure or if it is under maintenance. The data can also be sent via email. The SMMS-e air conditioning is crafted with Toshiba's unique piping design flexibility, which can reach the maximum piping length of 1,000 meters. The SMMS-e is the industry top class in its maximum equivalent distance between outdoor unit and farthest indoor unit, which is 235 meters. adding convenience for hotel and office building installation with the piping distance from the first branch to the farthest indoor unit of up to 90 meters. The SMMS-e leads the industry with a height difference of up to 40 meters between the indoor units. This key feature benefits the system design, installation flexibility, and reduces installation cost. Toshiba assures your peace of mind with the backup operation provided in all models, allowing the SMMS-e to continue to operate if a compressor is down. The backup operation is available in both single and module systems. The SMMS-e comes with the rotational control, designed to maximize both reliability and energy efficiency by individually controlling the operation of each compressor to work harmoniously under variable conditions. With the newly designed compressor, SMMS-e can operate under a wider range of outdoor ambience, from -5 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, which can reach up to 52 degrees Celsius in the Middle East model, and from -25 degrees Celsius to 15.5 degrees Celsius in heating mode. SMMS-e comes with a new design and control logic on defrost operation, which enables continuous heating while allowing the indoor unit to continue operating to provide consistent comfort in every room. The latest technological improvements and developments make SMMS-e the top commercial air conditioning solution for any application intelligently meeting your needs. Toshiba will stop at nothing to create innovation to evolution of the future, while life is a step away from perfection.